Welcome to the examples of sequence and series. Now let's have a look at the first example here. It's given by 963. They are asking us to calculate the 15th term and which term is equal to minus 289. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's find out first, is this arithmetic, quadratic, or geometric pattern? So we're going to say T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1. Here we're going to say this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, by the way. So we're going to say 6 minus 9 is going to give us minus 3. Therefore we say minus 3 minus 6 is going to give us minus 3. So clearly we have got a common difference here. So therefore this gives us an arithmetic sequence. So therefore we are going to have the first term as 9 and therefore D as negative 3, and then the formula that we use here, we use Tn is equals to A plus A minus 1 D. So in this case, what are we looking for? We're looking for term number 15. So therefore our N would have to be 15. Right, I hope you guys are following. 15. If you didn't watch the video before this one, please go watch it. It will help you understand everything that you need to know when it comes to lesson here on this chapter of sequence and series. All right, so here we're going to have 9 plus in bracket 15 minus 1, and then our difference is minus 3. Okay, which simply will have to be term number 15 is going to be given by, let me just check on my calculator while you guys do the same as well. Okay, let me just calculate here. Right guys, please make sure that you follow. If you don't follow, please leave a comment on the comment section below. I will do my best to assist where I can. Let's see now here, what do we have? We're going to have 14 negative 3 close bracket. So I'm getting term number 15 as negative 33. Okay, I hope you guys get the same answer. If you didn't get the same answer, please let me know on the comment section below. So now let's move on to number B. It says here, which term is equal to negative 8289? So it means we're gonna use apply the same formula here, guys. Please don't be confused. We're going to apply the same formula, but what are they asking us? They're asking us to find which term. So they're asking us to find N, and then in this case you can see that negative 289 is Tn. So we have this as our N, as our Tn. Therefore first term will still be 9. Then they want us to find N. Okay, so N minus 1, this will be minus 3. So what you can do here, I will have to simplify. This is just algebra, guys. If you are in grade 12, I'm expecting you to be able to remove the bracket here. Negative 3 times N is going to give us negative 3N. Negative 3 times 1 is going to give us plus 3. So therefore is going to be what? Negative 289, and then 9 plus 3 is going to give us 12 minus 3, and take 12 to the other side, negative 289 negative 12. Then you've got negative 3 here. You are looking for N, so therefore we'll divide everything by negative 3. Okay, let's come here, negative 3. So therefore N will have to be equals to how much? Okay, so let me just quickly come to my calculator here. Minus and then minus 12, and then minus 12 divided by negative 3. Okay, so our term here is going to give us 100.33, and you know we can have a 0.33, so it means this N is what? Term number 100. Right, and that's how you deal with a question like this one, guys. Let's move right along and to question number 2. Question number 2, it says that 6, 13 and 20, it is given there. They want us to find the nth term. All right, This is simple and straightforward, guys. No trick here in this one. They just want us to find, so we just need to confirm if this is arithmetic, geometric, or quadratic. Always check, guys, so that you know which formula to use. All right, let's go. They want us to find the nth term. So first thing first, I'm gonna try to find a common difference between the two, if there is one. 13 in this case is going to be 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is giving me 7, and therefore 20 minus 13 will also give us 7. So this simply means our common difference is 7, our first term is 6. So they want us to find the nth term, which in other case you can also say they want us to find the general formula. Okay, they want us to find the general formula. So therefore Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 d. So therefore they want us to find the nth term. Our first term is 6 plus n minus 1. Because we're looking for the nth term, there's no need for us to substitute any values for n because we don't know what it is yet. And then we put 7 there as our common difference, plus then you remove the bracket. 7 times n is going to give us 7n. 7 times negative 1 is going to give us minus 1. Okay, so therefore Tn will therefore have to be equal to 7n minus 1 for this one. Okay, and then the next one here, which is B, they want us to calculate the 30th term. So it means n in this case will have to be 30. What do we do in this case? We go back and we substitute everything, or we can use the general formula, but for the sake of understanding we will therefore use the formula as it is with a common difference of 7. I'm just substituting on this formula, guys. Here I took this one, I substituted on this formula, right? So therefore T30, which is 30 there, is going to be 6 plus 29 times 7. Okay, 29 times 7. So let's go ahead and do that. Plus okay, let's go, let's see. It's 6 plus 29 times 7 is giving me, I hope you guys getting the same answer, or I didn't press the calculator incorrectly here. It's giving me 209 as our answer. All right, okay, moving right along. C, they are saying right here, here on question C, they're saying which term is equal to 97. So basically here they've given us Tn as 97. They want us to find n, the number of this term that gives us 97. What is it? Okay, always ask yourself a question, guys. Before you can answer the actual question, ask yourself, what are they asking you to find? So in this case, in terms of the formula of arithmetic, they are asking us to find n. So therefore we would come here and say Tn a plus n minus 1 d, where a it's given by 6 plus, and therefore n, we don't know what is n. Tn we know it's 97, and we don't know what it is. We're still gonna look for it because that's what they've asked us. Okay, so it's gonna be 97. I'm gonna take 6 to the other side, which is this 6 here, minus 6 is equals to, remove the bracket there, 7 times n, 7n, 7 times negative 1 minus 7. So therefore here we're going to have 90 what? Minus 6 is going to give us 91. Therefore we're going to have 90, we want to have 7. Therefore if I take this 7 to the other side, is going to just give us plus 7 again, which takes us back to 98. So 97, therefore you divide by 7 both sides, guys. This is just algebra. If you are in grade 12, I would expect you to know what is happening in this instant. Okay, 98 divided by 7 on my calculator, it is giving me 14. So therefore it means this term is term number 14 is what is equal to 97. And this is an example just to illustrate some of the things that they will ask you on arithmetic sequence. I am Gaston Mapal. Let me see you on the next upload. We'll be doing either past papers or more examples on sequence and series.